Hey folks, Tim Slade here from the eLearning Designers Academy. You know what? We just wrapped week 3 of our 8-week Instructional Design Certificate Program, and this week is where things really started to take shape. So here's what you missed. You know what? Week 1 was all about adult learning theory, and week 2 was all about needs analysis, which of course brings us to week 3, which was all about actually designing something. We kicked things off by looking at how designing blended and spaced training events can support the learning process over time, and the methodology we used to get there? Action mapping. Instead of asking, what do people need to know? Action mapping forces you to start with the business goal and work backwards, asking what people need to actually do on the job. Now, from the action map, participants wrote learning objectives. We used 2 frameworks to get there. Mager's ABCD model, audience, behavior, condition, and degree, which gives you the structure for writing an objective that actually means something, and Bloom's taxonomy, which helps you make sure the level of thinking you're designing for matches what the job actually requires. Now, once the objectives were written, we used Merrill's principles of instruction to evaluate whether the overall solution was actually well designed. 5 principles: problem-centered, activation, demonstration, application, and integration, not as a checklist, but as a design lens. From there, we got real about modality decisions because, you know what, in the real world, you're never choosing modalities in a vacuum. We looked at how learner constraints, content constraints, and project constraints all shape what's actually possible. And all of that came together in their instructional design case study. Participants built an action map, wrote learning objectives, applied Merrill's to evaluate their solution, and pulled everything into a design document, their first real deliverable of the program. Every participant analyzed the same scenario in week 2, but by the end of week 3, no 2 design documents looked exactly alike. Same problem, different solutions. That's instructional design judgment at work. So, if you've ever had a solid analysis in hand and still felt stuck when it came to actually designing something, that's part of what this program is designed to accomplish. Our Instructional Design Certificate Program is an 8-week live, virtually facilitated and hands-on experience designed for new instructional designers, career transitioners, and L&D teams who are ready to move past order taking and start building performance-based training. Inside the program, you get access to the Instructional Design Handbook, practical ways to apply AI to your instructional design work, and credit hours that count towards your ATD, APTD, and CPTD certifications. You'll also walk away with a portfolio-ready case study you built yourself and an instructional design certificate to show for it all. Our next session is coming up and spots are limited, so head to the link down in the description to learn more, check out our upcoming dates, and enroll. I hope to see you there.